We are gathered here today to celebrate and share in the joy of this occasion as Karla and Robin promise to share their lives together. That you join them on this their special and happy day.
I can't remember what it's like.
I promise to love
And cherish you,
and cherish you,
respect
you,
and protect you from harm.
and protect you from harm,
Be truthful
be truthful
and honest with you.
and honest with you,
Be faithful to you
and be faithful to you
for as long as we both shall live.
for as long as we both shall live.
Save my life. It's funny to think we should know.
I take you, Karla Connor,
To be my lovely wedded wife,
to be my lovely wedded wife,
my partner in life,
my partner in life.
I give to you my promise
I give to you my promise
to stay by your side,
to stay by your side,
be truthful and honest with you.
be truthful and honest with you.
And now I declare you husband and wife.
When I'm with you, there's no reason for why. I'm intoxicated by your side. Nothing in the world's gonna beat this high. I've been searching for all of my life. When I'm with you, when I'm with when I'm with you, there's no reason for why. I'm intoxicated by your side. Nothing in the world's gonna beat this high. I've been searching